Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today I'm going to replace the PCV valve in my Honda CRV. The reason I'm doing it because it's burning oil. So that's the first solution that I did back in my 2000 Civic, 2010 Honda Civic. That was burning oil too, and I replaced the PCV valve in that Civic, and it was the problem was fixed. So the same thing I'm gonna do with the CRV. So PCV valve with the CRV is it's right here, if you can see. Yeah, that's a PCV valve right here. So need to remove these holes, and then I'm gonna take that thing out and I'll show you the new one. So I already got the new one, which is right here. So this is a very small part, but it plays a big role in this. So I'm gonna replace this, and you guys have to stay tuned for the next video. When I oil change again, I will see if it's burning oil or not, because I just recently changed the oil like 2 days ago. So I'm gonna replace this, and we'll let you know guys in the next video if it's solved or not. Stay tuned for that. I'll see you guys in the next one. Alright guys, so here is the old one and here is the new one. So time to put this back, and then I will let you know in the next oil change if the vehicle burned the oil or not. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so to open that PCV valve you need 17mm socket, as you can see. Let me show you. Yep, right here. And if you have, you can use that little extender, which will make the job easier. Other than that, this should be enough and you can easily do it yourself.